Hey guys, Sophia Star here, and we're back with another Crunch Labs box of Doom. It's technically art. They don't have a crafts thing here on Twitch, but yeah, got another Crunch Labs box. A Crunch Lab. It is the drawing machine. Bam, 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 bam. It seems super fancy. But yeah, we're going to be making Drawing Machine of Doom. This one was like super late. Um, I guess they had some sort of logistical problem, which is probably why the box is all crushed. Let's see here. Gotta make sure not to give you guys all the QR code stuff. Fancy Crunch Labs pan. This actually has a lot more parts than the other ones. Which seems kind of weird because I was most definitely assuming this was going to be like one of the easier builds. So let's see here. Okay. Do our usual fold in half. Nobody gets QR codes. Okay, so let us make sure we have all of our pieces. So far they've been really good, and we've always had extra pieces instead of not enough pieces. So we got our drawing board with an on-off. Ah, so that's why. Because it has a motor. Uh-oh. It got stuck. It's a random blue ball. Okay. So we got orange handle, blue handle, flippy board top part, the paper, and this little yellow part, which I think also goes up there. I really do wonder what this ball's for. So, put it there so we don't lose it for now. Da, 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 da. So we got pen holder, wheels. We got 4 of those, 4 bolts. This goes with this, and there we go. We'll put that on our board later. Okay. Foam feetsies. More of these things. I forget what they call those. Elastic cords. These foam spacers. Supposed to have 2 of these. 2 of those. adhesive foam. Adhesive foam. More feetsies. Feetsies. Eh. There we go. And I guess this is the Velcro thing. Hook and loop fastener. There's our like donuts though. And ours are not donuts. Weird. I wonder if we'll have to cut them out to make them into donuts. And I'm guessing this is the motor. So we got geared DC motor, battery pack, wire, another DC motor, and one more wire. Okay. And the pen. So it looks like we got everything. I guess let us get started. So first step is adhesives on the motors. Doesn't matter which one goes to which. Doesn't look like it. As long as one gets one and the other one gets the other. Aww. Punch out all these little holes. Okay. So this one goes on here. And then finish taking off these. Ah, they're so little and sticky. Okay. So there is one. And then here is number 2. Number 2. There we go. Why don't they do them both the same instead of one different from the other one? Okay. So next is this one. Gets this thing removed. Bah. And this part goes on it. Right side up. There we go. And then next we are taking the last of the foam pads. This right here. And putting it on here. Oh, it says take this out first. I'm just being dumb. There we go. Fine. So now we start attaching things to the board. Can get the sticker off. Maybe. Maybe, Davy. I can't get it off. There we go. Okay, so this is the back. We want this to be lined up like so. Yeah, that's a little bit off. Okay. There we go. So that's lined up. Okay, and then they want this one closest to the battery. Oh, come on. It's not gonna come off. Hey, wait. No, this has to be right. For a second, I was thinking I was wrong. There it goes. Okay, and then we kind of line this up with this. I think that's right. It's a little bit off. There we go. So that's one, and there's the other one. This pencil really helps with getting off these sticky pads. There we go. I should probably remove these right now while I'm at it. There we go. Now we just line this up here. There we go. Okay. Yes, everything is aligned. You can see through the holes. Kind of. Okay. Next. Yeah. Oh, so they want extra support with these? Okay. I guess they really want to make sure that these stay in place. Like that? Yeah. Yeah. That looks right. Oh, so they gave us an extra one of these, I think. Unless we end up using it later. Okay. Yeah. So close. There we go. So those are in. Now we wire this up. Rid to rid. Okay. Maybe if it wants to go in. There it goes. Okay. 1 red. 2 red. 3 red. And then we got some black to blank. Yeah. It's weird on theirs that the reds are on the opposite side. Maybe I just did mine backwards. Should still work though, as long as the wires are hooked up correctly. There we go. And then we got blank to blank. There it goes. Okay. So, now we need to poke out this. So we don't need that. Or this. There we go. And these should be stuck. Yeah. Aha, I did it on my own. Didn't need the pencil this time. To this. There we go. Yeah, it's a little bit off center. Yeah, it's gonna be too hard to pull up and put back down. I'll just leave it as is. There we go. Heyo, Tuxedicious. Donut that kawaii. Okay. So I got both those. Which I guess goes on to these things. There we go. That is 1. And 2. There we go. On to the next steps. Bam, bam. Oh, it says to test it. Okay. On. They join the whirly dorlies. Okay. Now we place on the feetsies. Okay. Feetsy time. Wow. Do this tricky one first here in the corner. There we go. Yeah, it hangs out a little bit, but that's fine. So then we do this footsie. There we go. Ah. There we go. 2 feetsies. Now we just do the last 2 feetsies. Feetsy up here. I don't know if they have to be exactly in the corner, but I'm putting them exactly in the corner. Or as close to the corner as I can get them. There we go. Feetsy number 2. Or feetsy number 4. That one. I can count. Feetsies. Wait, so this whole thing is getting 1 elastic clip? That's gonna be hard. Okay. Let's do this side first. There we go. 1 elastic clip. Stretch it all the way across to other side. And push it through. Whack, whack. There we go. And then false boy. The ball goes there. Bam, 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 bam. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. So now we're doing the pen holder? Oh. There we go. Um, yeah. Uno momento here. Why is this thing so hard? Yeah. Okay, so this one part requires extreme precision. Okay. Okay. I think I got it. I think maybe I got it. Bum, bum, bum. There we go. Ah. Stay. Okay. Then next, this piece. This piece. Why is everything so sticky? I think so far out of all of these, this is probably the most complicated one. Even though it seemed like it was going to be the easiest one. Okay, so does it have a preferred side? It doesn't look like it. Okay. That is off center though, which isn't going to work. There we go. That's better. Okay. Now that that's stuck there, I don't have to worry about it anymore. And then we do one of these with this Mojave. Hmm. Ah. Ah. It's gone. There we go. Elbow of Doom. Then this one goes on top. Then this one goes on top. Oh, uh-oh. And this one goes through here. And double cross. Bam, 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 bam. We pin this right in here. It's just fun. Okay. So we're in the final steps. So we are taking these and screwing them into the outside holes. The outside holes. Okay. Okay, there is one. And where's the other one? There it is. Okay. And then we take the paper and we put it in. Get out of the way. We put the paper in here. And then we take the pan. And we set it to blue. And then we take one of these. And where'd that hole go? There it is. Now we just screwed this in here. That looks right. Okay. I don't think the pen's applying enough. There it goes. One. That looks so cool. Look at it go. I think by like, changing which hole these things are in, it changes like the pattern. That's so cool. Scavenger hunt. Experiment with your drawing machine and find these 4 patterns. You need to adjust the radius and swap the linkage arms to find all 4. Ah! So there's these straight arms, these curvy arms. That seems so cool. I really like this. So then when you turn it off and you take out your sheet of paper, you got like this really cool little pattern. That looks so cool. We did arts. Oh, the camera doesn't pick it up very well. There it goes. Bam, bam. That's so cool. Um, Scissor lift. Wait, robot piano? Ah, pianos use languages. Oh yeah, for the little hammers. I've seen piano hammers before. Seen double, just different colors and sizes of markers, pens, and pencils. Ah, that seems so cool. But yeah. I might mess around with see if we can get the other patterns. But this was really fun. And we did end up with extra parts like usual. We got 3 extra parts this time. Ooh, the extra parts pile. Where all extra parts go. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. It was a ton of fun to make. It is most definitely more complicated than it seems like it would be. Most definitely thought this was going to be one of the easier ones. I wasn't like quite as interested in it as the other build boxes. But I think the next one that's coming is like the what's it called? They're like I forget what they're even called. But they have like the little circle plates, and then the ball just like bounces onto the plate and then releases the next ball. Um, yeah, I don't know. They seemed really cool though, because I think you're supposed to get 4 in the box, and then each one will like trigger the next one. It's like a totally different pattern. And we only adjusted this one. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. And or over on Twitch, where we do a lot of the streaming and building and crafts. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.